Good morning, everyone. I am Dr. Khushboo Sandhu from School of Management, Sage University, Bhopal. And today's the topic of my video lecture is Introduction to Human Resource Management. What is human resource? Human resources is used to describe both the people who work for a company or organization and the department responsible for managing all matters related to employees, who collectively represent one of the most valuable resources in any businesses or organization. The term human resources was first coined in the 1960s when the value of labor relations began to garner attention and when notions such as motivation, organizational behavior, and selection assessments began to take shape in all types of work settings. Actually, human resource management is a contemporary umbrella term used to describe the management and development of employees in an organization. It is also called personnel management or talent management, although these terms are a bit antiquated. Human resource management involves overseeing all things related to managing an organization's human capital. Human resource management is therefore focused on number of major areas such as recruiting and staffing, compensation and benefits, training and learning, labor and employee relations, organization development, and much more. But before focusing on these areas, it is very important to have a closer look at human resource management. Human resource management involves developing and administering programs that are designed to increase the effectiveness of an organization or business. It includes the entire spectrum of creating, managing, and cultivating the employer employee relationship. Human resource management is all about addressing current employee concerns. Unlike company managers who oversee the day to day work of employees, HR departments deal with employee concerns such as benefits, pay, employee investments, pension plans, and training. Their work may also include settling conflicts between employees or between employees and their managers. Next point is acquiring new employees. The human resource management team recruits potential employees, oversees the hiring process, and provides new employee orientation too. Next is managing the employee separation process. Human resource management team must complete a specific set of tasks if an employee quits. Paperwork must be completed to ensure that the process was completed legally. Severance pay may be offered or negotiated. Benefits must be settled and access to company resources must be severed. Next is improving morale. Effective HR teams encourage company employees to do their best, which contributes to the overall success of the company. Their work often involves rewarding employees for good performance and creating a positive work environment. Now comes on objectives of human resource management. Actually, human resource management objectives are divided into four categories, that is, organizational objectives, societal objectives, functional objectives, and personal objectives. Now comes on organizational objectives. It consists of bringing talent that meets the organizational objectives. HRM has to prepare human resources for recruiting, selecting, training, inducing, arranging performance appraisals. Then societal objectives. Besides working to meet organizational needs, human resources management is also responsible for meeting the needs and challenges of society. All the resources should be managed in such a way that it meets the interest of society too. That is why many companies are nowadays indulging more towards corporate social responsibilities. Human resource management has to follow the rules and laws imposed by society. So it has to develop and maintain healthy relations between union and management. Next, functional objectives. In this category, human resource management has to maintain the departments contribution to the level of organizational needs. Departmental function needs to be carried out by human resource management. Thus, the primary role is to ensure employees' performance regarding the deadline. Next is the personal objectives. It consists of helping employees to meet deadline or achieve their personal goals. We can take an example of personal goals like higher wages, job satisfaction, better working environment, promotion, social security, and much more. Thus, an HRM has to meet these demands for retention, motivation, and maintenance of the employees. Otherwise, employees might leave the organization, which will affect the whole business. Thank you.